Hey family, welcome back to Vita's Garden. I have ordered orange plant from meesho. I will show you the outcome of this. So I have taken this plant about 130 to 150 rupees. Surely I will provide the links in the description box and comment box too. And the plant cost is 143 rupees. I have taken this on the sale of 71% off. So maybe the plant price will increase or decrease. So this is how the plant box look like, and I will show you the unboxing video also. The packing and the plant was quite good, and the plant is very healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.